All right, so today we're going to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form going through 2 points. So our first step is to always find the slope. So to find the slope of these 2 points, we're going to use this slope formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I am going to label my points x1, y1, x2, y2. Then I do a fraction bar and 2 minus signs. Now I'm going to plug in my values. So I got 11 minus -1. Then I have 5 minus 1. So this is 11 minus -1 is 12. 5 minus 1 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So my slope is 3. And I'm going to need that to write the equation of the line in my last step. All right, now the next step is to find the y-intercept. And this is our b. So we use this equation, y equals mx plus b. And we use either one of the points from up here. So we're going to use 1, -1 as our x and our y. And then we're going to use our slope that we just found for our m. And then we're going to solve for b. So my y is -1 equals m, which is 3, times x, which is 1, plus b. So this is -1 equals 3 plus b. And then I subtract 3 from both sides. b equals -4. Okay, now the next step is to just write the equation. So I'm going to take the y equals, and then I'm going to put 3x, because that's the slope I found, minus 4. Okay, so you're going to notice that the snowman is going to have a black hat. So you can copy and paste the black hat onto the snowman slide. All right, so this is number 2. So I'm going to do another example. So our first step is to find the slope. So we're going to use the slope formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm doing my fraction bar and my 2 minus signs. So here I have x1, y1, x2, y2. So I have -4 minus -9 over 8 minus -2. So let's solve this. So we have -4. 2 negatives become positive. So it's -4 plus 9. So that would be 5. And then 8 minus a -2 would be positive 10, because it would be 8 plus 2 equals 10. So my slope is, if we simplify 5 over 10, that would be 1/2. Okay, so my next step is to find the y-intercept. So y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to use one of these points, and it doesn't matter which one you choose because they're both points that are going through the line. So I'm going to use this point, 8, -4. So my y is -4. My m, which we found, is 1/2. My x is 8. And then plus b, because that's what we want to find. Okay, I'm going to put the 8 over a 1. So when I multiply across, 1 times 8 is 8. And then that's an 8. And then 2 times 1 is 2 plus b. So we get negative 4 equals 4 plus b. Subtract 4 from both sides. We get b is equal to negative 8. So now we just want to rewrite our equation with the m and the b. So we have y equals 1/2 x minus 8. So for number 2, our snowman would have green eyes. So you're going to copy and paste the green eyes onto the snowman.